Hey everybody, behind me, 2008 Toyota Highlander. We're gonna be replacing the headlamp assembly. These are pretty terrible. Let me show you. Hopefully the camera can pick it up, but these headlights are so bad that you can barely see the light coming out of them. Just to compare, this is one of the new ones we're putting on. Nice and clear. This is gonna be so much better. Now we could buff these out, do our best to clear them up. Sometimes you can get pretty decent results, and you can apply a headlight coating like this Meguiar's headlight coating to make that buffing last even longer. But I find you'll never get the same results as you do with a brand new headlight lens. Plus, they'll last a lot longer. First thing we're gonna do is remove our top plastic cover. It's held on by clips. Having an angled pick or a little screwdriver can help you get them out. Let me try the little screwdriver first. Just like that, pop up. Let me zoom you in closer. So it's just this little clip, and you wanna pop this head out of the center, just like that. Over time, these do get brittle. If they end up breaking on you, don't worry, you can get new clips either from Amazon. If you have a Harbor Freight nearby, that's a good option, or your local auto parts store. Once all the clips are out, we'll just pop this up. We'll set it aside. Next, we're gonna detach our grill. Just from up here, down below, it can stay connected to our bumper. Again, we got a series of clips, just like that. Use the same tool. And once those are out, we have two 10mm bolts, one on this side, one on the other side. Make sure that's separated, nice. We're done up here, now let's go to our wheel well. We have two things to remove from our wheel well. We have a screw right here, that's a Phillips, take that out. If you need, it's also cut for a socket, that's an 8mm. The next is a flathead, we just turn it 90 degrees, and that disconnects it. There we go, pop it out. Perfect. All right, that's it. Now let's go underneath in the front. Underneath we have a series of 10mm bolts. We'll take all those out. Once all these are out, we can remove our bumper skin. I counted 7 altogether. Now we'll grab the fender from the side, we'll pull it out this way, and that'll detach it from our fender. There we go. There. We'll do the same thing to the other side. Nice, now the whole thing should be able to come forward. There's one more clip I forgot. Let me show you where that is. So right in the middle where your hood latch is, if you look down, there's that clip right there we need to pull off. I'm gonna get in there with an angled pick. There we go, got it. Keep pulling this out. There. Just had to get it up and over this plastic here. So we don't have to remove it completely from the vehicle. We just have to really get access to our bolts for our headlight. So it's probably just good enough. Let me show you where the bolts are. We got one here, easy to locate, front and center. And then right under here, we have that one you can get to. And if you follow your headlight straight down, it is right there. And it's just those 3 fasteners. They are all 10mm. Get that the rest of the way out with the magnet. There we go. Now that we got our fasteners off, let me zoom you back in and show you one more thing that could be a hang up. We want to pop these up and over, and then same with this one here. It needs to go up and over the center. And that's it. There we go. It was just stuck. All right. Pull it forward. There. There we go. And we'll undo all our electrical connectors. Pop that out. Pop this one out. And then our bulb. And that whole harness is connected in one spot. Easy to see. Pop that off. There we go. That's it. Now would be a good time to replace your headlight bulbs. We're upgrading to LED. These are Luxtor Punishers. You will love driving at night with these. All right, here we go. Slide it in. What's up, buddy? There we go. Looks like it's it. Make sure those drop over. There, perfect. All right, now we're talking. Man, that looks really good. Put on our screws up top. Now these are just going into plastic, so we don't want to tighten them too much. We can strip it out. Just snug. One more on the side. I really like that. We also have our electrical connectors we'll plug back in. Could have done this before or do it now. Either way, doing it now, you just gotta feel for it. So it would have been better doing it before. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and then we'll get our bumper put back on. Forgot to mention it on the other side, but some lens assemblies come with new bulbs, some do not. So if yours do not come with new bulbs, then you could just take this out, twist it, and then insert it in your new lens. Also, if your front lower clip fell out like mine, we'll just put it back in. Perfect. You can make your car look so much newer with new lenses. All right, our bumper is easy to put on. We'll lift from the front just to get over this little spot here. Make sure it goes all the way in. Okay, and we'll take our side. There we go. And we'll pull back on it. Make sure it lines up in the slot, and we'll tap it. All right, there we go, it's locked in. Let's go do that to the other side. Bring this over and up, just like that. Okay, lined up, snap it in place. There, perfect. Now let's work on getting all our fasteners in. We'll start from underneath, then we'll move to the wheel well, and then finish up top. For our fasteners underneath, you want to make sure that this here is over the top of our bumper skin. If it's down like this, that's not correct. You want to make sure that it's inside. There we go. Get my glove. Perfect, just like that. And then those holes will line up, we'll put our screw in. We'll just do that for all of them down here. Now on our fender well, we'll move this, put it back behind, like that. And then this right here, let's move it a little, get it behind. There we go. That needs to go over. Take our little piece here, we'll go in like that, turn it 90 degrees, and then we'll put our little piece up here, screw that down. That's it here. We'll do the same thing to the other side, and then we'll go up top. Our big clips go here. And we have that one down here. All right, we have our 10mm bolts. Just snug, they don't have to be too tight. And we have our plastic, should just slide over. And we got all those clips. All right, that is it. If you need to adjust your headlights either up or down, let me show you where that adjustment is. This is the driver's side. If you zoom in behind the headlight, it's right there. So turning that left or right will adjust your headlights either down or up, depending on what you need. And that's it. All right, that's how you can place headlight lenses on your Highlander. I definitely think new lenses are worth the cost. And getting LED bulbs is an awesome upgrade. I'll have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comments, post down below. We'll see you on the next one.